In the name of God, who is most gracious and merciful, I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. Shame on you is the topic of this short program. On 20th February, a NGO, Cinema for Peace in Berlin, organized an event on human rights. Hilary Clinton from USA was delivering her views on a Gaza war. Audience started shouting at her. When one shouting audience was removed from the hall, the other started shouting. In this video, you can see how are the sentiments of the people here in the Germany about Gaza-Israel war.
On Gaza to hunt down those responsible for the horrors of October 7th. You have said this is war. Still, are you not shocked by the high civilian casualty numbers in Gaza?
Of course, I'm not shocked, because that's what happens in wars, but I'm deeply troubled by the high civilian casualties. It has a right to defend itself, but we also have to expect Israel to do everything.
Israel is not defending itself. It's a genocide that you're paying for. And then you talk about women's rights? Are you serious? What women's right are you talking about? This is a genocide committed by the USA, the government that you're standing under, and now you're speaking cinema for peace. We are watching a cinema of genocide.
We are a democratic country, and everybody's free to vote for the politicians that he wants to vote for. Excuse me, please. Can you please stop this? This is not the way to come in.
Right to deny genocide to support. You talk about extrajudicial killings. You have been responsible for the killings of hundreds of Pakistanis. You have supported wars in Afghanistan, in Iraq, all over the Middle East. You are a war criminal. You are a hypocrite. Shame on you. Shame on all of you for supporting imperialism. Down with imperialism, whether in the East or the West. Free Palestine. Ceasefire now.
The greatest loss of life of Jewish people since the Holocaust.
How dare you speak about human rights while Palestinians are being murdered in the name of protections of human rights? It has nothing to do with human rights. It has nothing to do with the protection of Jewish people. All you care is about racist Jews. All you care is about white supremacy. Shame on you! Shame on you! Free Palestine!
Shame on you. You should not shout at a woman.
Killing 10,000 children, acceptable self-defense, killing 30,000 acceptable self-defense, is killing 10,000 children, killing 10,000 children, acceptable self-defense, killing 10,000 children, acceptable self-defense.
I wish that we could ask these questions and have some of these people who are still out. I really wish people understood.